Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a common fish. Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did
Look at this.
appear.
It is a snow white fish.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you
Look
know,
at this.
lamb,
It
you
is a
know,
koi fish.
lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had
Look
a
at this.
little lamb.
This
Its
is
fleece was
tilapia
white
fish.
as snow.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a boomfish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.